Hello friends, this is Next Level Fitness and today we are going to see abs workout in home. No gym.
Abdominal crunches. Performing crunches don't require any of those fancy gym equipment. All you need is some space and a way to stay fit. Crunches benefit stomachs. Crunches helps you in getting a toned and ripped midsection, but it also strengthens your stabilizer muscles like spinal erector muscles and by inducing bowel spasms and triggering the bowel movement. And also, crunches helps you in getting a six-pack abs. Leg raises. This exercise you can do it in two ways, by having a support and by keeping your hands at the back. So, leg raises are a strength training exercise that can help you build core while lying down. It improves flexibility, enhances balance and stability. Leg raises you can do by lie down on your back with your hands by your sides. Keep your knees up while keeping your feet on the mat or floor. Lift your legs straight up in the air and use your core muscles to do so. Breathe in as you lower your legs and breathe out as you lift them. This exercise helps to lose weight from the legs and lower abdomen, tones, strengthens muscles in your abdomen and legs, and effective exercise for lower abs. Abdominal crunches is an effective exercise for your upper abs, and this mainly focuses on your lower abs. It is a great exercise that can be done even while lying down in bed. And also, this exercise helps you to improve your focus and attention, and it is a very best abs workout. Bicycle crunches, a great compound exercise and one of the most effective ways to build your abdominal muscles and core strength. Minimal space and no equipment is needed to perform this exercise. The bicycle crunch is a great exercise for beginners and experts in the fitness field because the level of difficulty can be modified or intensified based on the way you position your body or the rate you perform the exercise. You can do it in many ways by increasing your speed and decreasing your speed, and by increasing your speed it gives the most effective way for your abs. Flutter kicks. It helps in reshape and tone your lower body. Helps you to shed your extra fat from the belly, hips and thighs, thereby taking care of the problem areas of many women. In fact, swimmers flutter kick in water to propel their body forward. It is a very good abdomen workout and also helps you in strengthening your leg muscles too. So it is a very effective abs workout. Plank is one of the simplest exercise that you can do. It's simple in its appearance, but it's a very effective core exercise that helps you build stability and strength throughout your entire body. Plank improves the strength of our skeletal system and improve our ability to focus and concentrate and even helps us breathe properly. So, including a plank as a part of a varied routine shows some immense benefits, and it's absolutely ridiculous and an awesome abs workout. It's very simple. Mountain climbers. It is a very effective abs workout or a compound exercise that works several joints and muscles at the same time from your neck down to your feet. It targets your triceps, deltoids, abs, back, hip flexors, quads, hamstrings and butt. So it's not only an abs workout but also a full body exercise. And it also improves your cardiovascular fitness. Helps us in reducing heart disease. And this workout also helps you to maintain a very good posture, so it's a very effective abs workout. On the spot jogging. Running in a place elevates your heart rate, improves blood sugar levels and burns calories and fat, all of which help with weight loss. Will also boost cardiovascular function, enhance lung capacity and improve circulation. Running in a place requires different muscle movements than normal running, and it also helps you in concentrating your abs more. By doing this exercise, calories are burnt and your body fat percentage also decreases. This exercise not only helps you to reduce belly fat, but it also sheds fat from other areas too. and increases stamina.